Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how we can automate our WhatsApp chat, like we can send multiple messages using Python. So for that I'm going to use PyCharm, or let's just use VS Code. You can use any ID or you can just type in Notepad as well. So I'll just create a file, new text file, and then save it as using Control S. Just save it as in desktop WhatsApp auto dot py, or you can choose here. Okay, where is our Python? Here it is. So auto, WhatsApp auto, and then Python. So this is our Python file. So we are going to type import time, which is already there in this Python, and then import PyAutoGUI. So this is not like pre-built in this. So for that you need to install this. For that just type in pip3 install PyAutoGUI. This is basically for automating GUI, like graphical user interface. So in our system it's already installed. So once you type that command, it will be installed in your system, and then just type in I equals 1 and then a loop, while loop I is less than, let's say we want to send 10 multiple messages, so we are going to say I is less than equal to 10, and then here just type in time dot sleep. So this time has one function which is sleep, which we are going to use that for just halt for a few seconds. So here we will type 5. That means for 5 seconds it will sleep. That means it will first sleep for 5 seconds, and then we are going to PyAutoGUI dot typewriter. Here just type in your message. Let's say we are just typing this random message, and with this we can also provide I, which will display the number of like counter basically, and then type in PyAutoGUI dot press. Now the button which we want to press, so we are going to press enter. Like in WhatsApp we type the message and then we press enter, right? So same thing is going to be happen here. So we will type the message and then we will press enter, and then we will increment our I. That means I equals I plus 1. So what this is going to do is, it will first initialize I as 1, then it will run from I 1 to 10, and then first it will sleep for 5 seconds, then it will type the message in our WhatsApp chat, and then it will press enter. Then it will increment I. That means second time it will be I equals 1 plus 1, that is 2. So I equals to 2, that is also less than equal to 10. So it will goes on and on until I equals to 10. After I equals to 10 it will break. So let's just try this. Let's just save this, and here just go to the path where we have this file. So we have it on desktop. So we will type cd and then that path. Okay, here we have our file WhatsApp auto.py. We will type Python. WhatsApp auto.py. Now here we will run this file, and we will go to our WhatsApp chat and click on this type a message. Now it will wait for 5 seconds, then it will automatically type for us. Okay, so it is sending, but here I can see our I is not printing like 1 2 3 10. So for that let me just try. Here just replace this comma by plus. I think this should work now. Just save this and run it again. Here you can see this time it is much faster. So basically that was causing the issue, that comma string then I, that was not working properly. Now you can see it is printing I love you 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Up till 10 it will print and then it will break. So if you want you can make it like 1000 millions or whatever you want. Here you can see now up till 10 it is completed, so it will break till now. Let's just check this. Yeah, here you can see the script is executed properly. So that's how you can like send multiple messages in your WhatsApp chat, or similarly you can use it in notepad or anywhere, like wherever you can type there you can use this. If you like this video, please do hit a like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.